Most people don't fail because they take risks. They fail because they take the wrong risks at the wrong time. When people think about risk, they think about courage. But risk is not about courage. It's about timing. Some risks are reversible. If they go wrong, you can recover. Those, you should take fast, because the cost of waiting is higher than the cost of failing.
But some risks change everything. Money, direction, time, those are not easy to reverse. And that's where patience matters. Most people don't separate these two. They rush the big risks and delay the small ones. That's why they get stuck. Here's the rule. If the downside is small, move fast. If the downside is big, slow down. Think longer, not to avoid risk, but to understand it, because waiting is not weakness and taking risk is not strength. Both are tools. The real skill is knowing when to use each one. If you rush everything, you make expensive mistakes. If you delay everything, you miss opportunities. So don't ask, should I take risk or wait? Ask, what happens if I'm wrong? If you can recover, move. If you can't, slow down. The goal is not to avoid risk, it's to survive it.